Hey, what's up YouTube? This is Lawman FJ. We're going to take a quick look at a case for the iPhone 12 Pro Max. This is the 6.7 version. Now, this case made by SUPCASE. It's the UB Pro Unicorn Beetle Pro Style Series case. Let's go ahead and get started and take a look at it. Okay, you can get this case from Amazon. It's the SUPCASE Unicorn Beetle Pro Series case for the iPhone 12 Pro Max. 6.7 inch built-in screen protection, full body rugged holster case, and this is the black one in the picture, but there's several colors there. All right, $20 on Prime. All right, that's not bad for full protection right there. Okay, let's go ahead and get started and take a look at this. Here's the box right here. Let's go ahead and take this out of the box. This is the blue one right here. Like I said, it got several colors, and I'll show you other colors as well. Now this is a two-piece case. You got a screen protector, built-in screen protector on front. You got a little blue insert right there. Rubber TPU on the sides. Cover for your mute switch and your charging port. Speaker openings right there. And you got your power button right there. All right. You separate this by using this little gap right here in the corner. You can see that right there. All right. That's where you're going to unseal it from, and then you're going to take it apart. Okay. Okay, let's go ahead and put the device inside. This is a model, it's the iPhone 12 Pro Max. Put this on first. All right, and then you're gonna slide this inside the case. All right. You wanna make sure the silicone comes around the hard piece of the case to get it all situated there. All right, so that looks pretty good. As you can see, opening for your charging port right there, everything lines up. And power button right there. Camera's protected. Opening for the mute switch right there. It's good full protection. This blue looks nice on the case. Now you do have a kickstand with this case. You can use it, you can lock it in place back there so it doesn't slide, and use it as a finger grip if you want. But also you got your, you can watch movies with it, okay? And you could stand up in portrait mode as well, okay? Also that way, you know, also. So it's pretty good that they have that kickstand that comes with it right there, okay? And just slide it up when you're ready to use it. You pull it up by getting this area right here. Now that might be a little hard sometimes if you don't have fingernails, so be careful with that. Now this is the holster. Now you're gonna put it in the holster this way, and you got full protection there. 360-degree rotation for the clip. Springy clip right there. And you might be able to set this down as well. I think it might be the other way you can do that to work as a kickstand. So if you had your device inside the case and you turn it around, you can set it up like that and still watch a movie maybe if you wanted to do that, okay? But nice setup here on the kickstand and the case. Now, of course, this is a model case, but wireless charge will work. I've tried it before in other cases similar to this. But this is going to give you good grip and protection. Not too bulky for the protection you're going to get. All right, so you can work with this. And the iPhone 12 Pro Max, it's a nice device, nice size. Okay. Now, as I mentioned before, the cases do come in different colors. If you look at the blue one, but you have a nice green right here that's kind of hunter green looking. Then you got a red one here, they call that ruddy. And then you have this lavender looking one right here. And then you have the black, all black, all right, which that's what I like the most. But these other colors look great as well, okay? Okay, so that was a quick look at the SUPCASE Unicorn Beetle Pro Series case for the iPhone 12 Pro Max, 6.7 inch. Now, if you got any questions, hit me up in the comments. If you like the video, give me a thumbs up. And don't forget to hit the subscribe button down below for more videos like this. This is Lawman FJ.